Hello everyone, welcome to our next podcast. I hope you are doing great and learning something new every day. Today we are going to review a very inspiring and powerful TEDx talk that focuses on leadership, education and positive change. Today's talk is how to fix a broken school, lead fearlessly, love hard by Linda Cliatt-Wayman. In this talk, she shares her real life experience of leading a struggling school and explains how strong leadership, courage, and genuine care can completely transform education. Linda shared her journey as a principal who was given responsibility for school facing serious problems. The school had poor discipline, low academic performance, and very little trust between students and teachers. Instead of feeling afraid or giving up, she decided to lead fearlessly. She believed that strong leadership requires courage, clear rules, and high expectation. She made it clear that students and teachers must take responsibility for their actions. At the same time, she believed in leading with love and respect. She showed students that they mattered and that their success was important. She created an environment where students felt safe, valued, and motivated to improve. One of the strongest messages from her talk is that discipline and kindness can work together. By setting clear standards and building positive relationships, she helped change student behavior and school culture. She also explained that teachers need support and encouragement when teachers feel respected and trusted. They can teach more effectively and help students grow. Linda's story shows that fixing a problem school is not just about money or policies, it is about belief, leadership, accountability, and compassion. In conclusion, Linda teaches us that real change begins with strong and caring leadership. When leaders act fearlessly and lead with love, they can transform schools, communities, and lives. This text documents us that education is not only about lessons and exams, it's about building confidence, respect, and hope for the future. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me. If you found this review helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational and motivational content. Thank you.